What's up guys, it's Joseph, and I just wanted to share a big problem and how I fixed it with trying to replace the wheel hub assembly on my Mk5 Jetta. I have to replace this because when I had the brake pads changed, they cross-threaded this bolt, so then when I went to go rotate the tires, this bolt just snapped. I was driving around with only 4 wheel bolts in there. So even after taking the axle bolt out, so this was actually not as hard as I had seen on YouTube videos, but got that out, and then the wheel hub assembly was stuck on there. You know, hit it with a hammer, wouldn't come off. So then how I was finally able to get it off was, I'm actually replacing the rotors too. I put the rotor on backwards, and in the process of trying to take the rotor off, actually it was like rusted on so much, this wheel hub got like fully destroyed, so you can see all the wobble in there. But anyway, so what I did is this rotor that I'm replacing, I bolted it on backwards, and just made sure it was like evenly tightened everywhere, because it doesn't fully sit all the way down. And then I was finally able to get half of the assembly, so it popped off with the rotor, and then what ended up happening was only half of the wheel hub assembly came out, and so you can see there's the bearings, and this back half was stuck on there. And then fortunately I brought a chisel to get the cap off for the center axle bolt. So after this was stuck on there, I just put the chisel on the back and used a hammer and then hammered it off. So finally got this off, and now I can put on my new wheel hub assembly. I did have to, one extra step beside like taking off the brake pads and the caliper carrier and all that, I did have to take off the shield, and so these are T27, so I had that, took off the shield to make the hammering a bit easier. So I just got like down there and hammered it away from the center. And there we have the brand new wheel hub assembly and the new rotor. Alright guys, talk to you later.